Welcome to the fourth and final part of our breakdown on the 12 thumbnail formats that keep going viral. If you missed the first 3 parts, you need to go back and check them out. Format 9, the maximalist format. On the complete opposite side of the spectrum, maximalist layouts fill almost every pixel of the frame with multiple focal points. You'll see this everywhere in videos like Best MacBooks, Top Tech Accessories Under $100, or Best Podcast Microphones. This setup is perfect for roundups, product listicles, and buying guides, because the viewer wants to see a massive variety of options the second they look at the packaging. It reassures them that the video will deliver a comprehensive list rather than just a single product recommendation. Format 10, the transformation. This is one of the most iconic, battle-tested thumbnail formats in internet history. The left side establishes the starting point, while the right side displays the final, dramatic transformation. The left image is usually relatable, flawed, or basic, while the right image shows a highly coveted result or a shocking evolution. This layout automatically sparks a narrative arc in the viewer's mind, making them wonder how someone got from point A to point B. The secret to making this format work comes down to pure contrast. The bigger the gap between your before and after, the higher your CTR will be. Format 11, the comparison. Directly tied to the transformation layout is the classic side-by-side comparison. This framework pits 2 items, 2 people, or 2 opposing strategies directly against each other. It's an absolute staple that top creators have relied on for over a decade, because it seamlessly adapts to virtually any niche or debate imaginable. Format 12, the detective board. This strategy features the core subject right in the center, surrounded by cutout evidence, text notes, and string paths connecting the pieces together. The moment a viewer sees a detective board on their feed, it activates an instant sense of mystery. It signals that the video is going to connect all the hidden dots behind a complex story, which is why it dominates investigative channels, deep dives, and video essays. To build one, drop a corkboard background into your canvas, place your target subject in the middle, scatter supporting evidence cutouts around it, and connect them with red string assets. If you got value out of this breakdown, drop a comment letting me know which format you're using next, and smash that like button.